So you want to start a farm. Here are some quick tips and tricks for the first week on the new farm. You're going to go to Piers and spend all of your money, literally all of your money. You're going to buy 1 green bean, 1 cauliflower, and 1 potato, and then spend the rest on parsnips. This is the produce that you're going to need for the community center bundles. When hoeing around, you want to hoe in sprinkler formation like this, so that you are able to craft the next 2 size sprinklers and can easily set them up without re-hoeing your dirt. Rice can be planted within the 3 outer squares next to water without needing watered every day. Always check the bulletin board and accept the quest. Even if you don't think you can complete it, you still want to accept it. The only villager I worry about getting points with this early in the game is Carolyn. Giving her 2 daffodils a week and trying to talk to her each day until her heart level is at 2 will give you access to tea saplings, which are easy early game gold. Fishing is an easy way to get gold early on. If you fish by Willie's, you can easily sell the items the same day and then go and buy more seeds. You can also sell foraging items from the beach to Willie as well. Fishing in the mountains is the best place to get more gold per fish. If you get a rainy day, try and catch yourself a shad from the river. They are easy to catch with the rod you have, and you will definitely need that for the community center bundles. If you have energy at the end of the day, use that to chop down trees and clear more area on your farm. On day 5, the community center will open. Be sure you go look at one of the golden tablets. This will also be the day that the bridge will open so you can go into the mines. Try to get at least 1 copper ore. This will trigger Clint showing up at your doorstep to give you a furnace blueprint on the next day. On day 6, you will get a message from the wizard to come see him. It is important that you go and drink the weird tasting tea with him that takes you on a trip in his favorite rocket ship. On day 7 is for messing with Lewis on his birthday. If you enjoyed this tips and tricks video for Stardew Valley, be sure to like and subscribe.